You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. A state or period of inactivity or dormancy, especially for workers, but also plants, vegetables. Quiescent. That's your English pronunciation now. It can also be pronounced as, yes, you've guessed it, quiescent, but it's generally pronounced as quiescent. The Americans sometimes say it as quiescent as well, so both pronunciations exist and are correct, quiescent or quiescent, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.